out your project details or just want a physical copy for reference, knowing how to print your Trello boards can be incredibly useful. I'll walk you through each step, ensuring you can do this with ease. Let's get started by logging into your Trello account and heading to the specific board that you want to print. Once you're in Trello, navigate through your boards and click on the one you wish to print. Now, if you're not familiar with Trello's interface, you'll find the board menu on the right-hand side. It might be collapsed, so look for the three dots menu or an option labeled Show Menu. Access this menu as it contains all the options you need to proceed. After opening the menu, you'll want to look for and select the More option. This will provide you access to additional settings related to your board. This setting is essential for the next action we'll be taking. Once you've clicked on the More button, the next step is simple. Choose the Print and Export option. This selection generates a version of your Trello board that's friendly for printing. It's all about creating an easy-to-read, streamlined format that captures all the details you've organized. Now that you've generated a print-friendly version of your board, a new page or tab will open, displaying your board in a simplified layout ready for printing. You'll want to use your browser's print function to proceed from here. If you're using a Windows system, press Ctrl+P, and if you're on a Mac, press Command+P. Alternatively, you can click on the print option that appears right in your browser menu. Before finalizing the print, it's a good idea to adjust your print settings. You'll need to choose your preferred printer, set the page layout to either portrait or landscape, and adjust any margins if necessary. You can also alter the scale to fit your board neatly onto the page. Feel free to tweak these options to suit how you want your board to look. If you'd rather not print it physically, there's also the option to save it as a PDF, which can be quite handy for sending digitally or archiving your progress. Finally, once you've nailed down your settings, go ahead and click either Print to get your paper copy or Save if you're opting for a PDF. That's it. You've successfully printed your Trello board. With this guide, you now have all the steps needed to print your Trello board confidently and with ease. Happy organizing and printing!